If you've been following the Linux community lately, you've probably noticed a new name generating a surprising amount of attention: Dank Linux. With countless screenshots, enthusiastic posts, and growing discussions across forums and social media, many Linux users are asking the same question: is Dank Linux actually worth the hype? Or is it just another distribution trying to stand out in an already crowded ecosystem? Today we're taking a deep dive into what Dank Linux is, who it's for, what makes it different, and whether it deserves a place on your computer. At first glance, Dank Linux immediately grabs attention because of its unique branding and visual identity. Unlike many traditional Linux distributions that focus on enterprise reliability or minimalistic design, Dank Linux embraces a modern, internet-inspired personality. The name itself is unconventional, and that alone has helped it attract curiosity from users looking for something different. However, a catchy name isn't enough to make a Linux distribution successful. What matters is the actual experience users get once they install it. One of the first things you'll notice after booting into Dank Linux is its polished desktop environment. The developers have clearly spent time customizing the user interface to create a visually appealing experience. The desktop looks modern, clean, and attractive without feeling cluttered. Themes, icons, wallpapers, and system layouts have been carefully selected to provide a cohesive appearance. For new Linux users, this attention to visual detail can make a significant difference because the operating system feels welcoming right from the start. Performance is another area where Dank Linux has received positive attention. During normal daily usage, the system feels responsive and smooth. Applications launch quickly, desktop animations remain fluid, and overall resource usage appears well optimized. While performance naturally depends on hardware specifications, Dank Linux seems capable of delivering a pleasant experience even on modest systems. Users upgrading from older versions of Windows may find that their aging hardware suddenly feels much faster when running Dank Linux. Installation is relatively straightforward, which is important for attracting newcomers. Many Linux distributions still intimidate first-time users with complicated setup procedures, partitioning options, and technical terminology. Dank Linux attempts to simplify this process with a user-friendly installer that guides users through each step. In most cases, users can complete the installation without needing advanced Linux knowledge. This lowers the barrier to entry and makes the distribution more accessible to people who are exploring Linux for the first time. Software availability is often one of the biggest concerns for potential Linux users. Fortunately, Dank Linux benefits from the broader Linux ecosystem. Depending on its underlying base distribution, users typically gain access to extensive software repositories containing thousands of applications. Popular web browsers, office suites, media players, development tools, communication platforms, and creative applications are readily available. This means users can quickly set up a productive environment without spending hours searching for software. Gaming has become a major topic in the Linux world, and many users considering a switch from Windows want to know whether their favorite games will work. Dank Linux generally benefits from modern Linux gaming technologies such as Steam, Proton, Vulkan, and updated graphics drivers. Many Windows games now run surprisingly well on Linux, and Dank Linux can take advantage of these improvements. While compatibility still varies depending on individual titles, gaming on Linux has improved dramatically over the past few years, making distributions like Dank Linux much more attractive to gamers. Hardware compatibility is another important factor. A Linux distribution can have excellent features, but if it struggles to recognize hardware properly, users may become frustrated quickly. Fortunately, Dank Linux appears to offer solid hardware detection in most common scenarios. Wi-Fi adapters, graphics cards, Bluetooth devices, printers, and external storage devices generally work without significant issues. Of course, as with any Linux distribution, there may be occasional compatibility challenges involving very new or very specialized hardware. Security is one of Linux's strongest advantages, and Dank Linux benefits from the security foundations provided by the Linux kernel and its software ecosystem. Regular updates help address vulnerabilities, improve system stability, and introduce new features. The permission-based architecture of Linux also helps reduce many of the security risks commonly associated with other operating systems. Users who prioritize privacy and security may appreciate these built-in advantages. Customization is where Linux truly shines, and Dank Linux is no exception. Users can modify nearly every aspect of the operating system. Desktop layouts, themes, window behavior, keyboard shortcuts, panels, widgets, and system settings can all be adjusted according to personal preference. Some users enjoy spending hours fine-tuning their desktops, while others simply appreciate having the freedom to create a workspace that matches their needs. Dank Linux provides a strong foundation for both approaches. Community support plays a major role in determining the long-term success of any Linux distribution. One of the advantages of choosing a distribution with an active user base is the availability of guides, tutorials, troubleshooting discussions, and shared knowledge. Dank Linux has been building a community around its project, and this growing user engagement contributes to its visibility. New users often benefit greatly from community-created content when encountering questions or technical challenges. However, no Linux distribution is perfect, and it's important to examine potential drawbacks as well. One concern with newer or smaller distributions is long-term sustainability. Larger projects often have extensive development teams, corporate backing, or large volunteer communities that help ensure continuous maintenance. Smaller projects may face challenges if developer resources become limited. Users considering Dank Linux as their primary operating system should pay attention to the project's development activity, update frequency, and community engagement. Another consideration involves software stability. Some distributions prioritize cutting-edge software packages to provide users with the latest features. While this can be exciting, it may occasionally introduce bugs or compatibility issues. Users must decide whether they prefer maximum stability or access to the newest software. Dank Linux's approach in this area can significantly influence the overall user experience. Documentation is another area where newer distributions sometimes struggle. Established Linux distributions often provide extensive official documentation covering installation, troubleshooting, configuration, and advanced features. Smaller projects may have less comprehensive documentation, making it harder for users to find answers when problems arise. Community forums can help fill these gaps, but official documentation remains valuable. For content creators, Dank Linux presents an interesting option. Modern Linux distributions now support a wide range of creative applications for video editing, graphic design, audio production, and streaming. Tools such as OBS Studio, Kdenalive, Blender, GIMP, Inkscape, and DaVinci Resolve have expanded Linux's appeal among creators. Dank Linux users can access many of these applications and build capable content creation workflows without relying on proprietary operating systems. Developers may also find Dank Linux appealing. Linux has long been favored by programmers due to its powerful command line tools, development environments, package management systems, and server compatibility. Dank Linux provides access to these advantages while maintaining a user-friendly desktop experience. Whether you're developing web applications, mobile software, cloud services, or open-source projects, the Linux environment remains highly attractive. One reason for the growing attention surrounding Dank Linux is timing. The broader Linux desktop ecosystem is currently experiencing significant momentum. Improvements in gaming, hardware support, user interfaces, and application availability have made Linux more accessible than ever before. As more users explore alternatives to Windows and Mac OS, distributions like Dank Linux naturally attract interest. In many ways, the hype surrounding Dank Linux reflects broader excitement about Linux itself. The visual appeal of screenshots shared online has also contributed to its popularity. Modern desktop customization often generates strong interest on platforms like Reddit, YouTube, X, and various Linux communities. Attractive desktop environments can create powerful first impressions and encourage users to try new distributions. Dank Linux benefits from this trend by offering a visually distinctive experience that stands out in screenshots and demonstrations. For beginners, the most important question is whether Dank Linux simplifies the Linux learning curve. Based on user experiences, it appears to offer a relatively approachable environment. Common tasks such as browsing the web, installing software, managing files, and adjusting settings can be performed without extensive technical knowledge. This ease of use may help newcomers gain confidence while gradually learning more advanced Linux concepts. For experienced Linux users, the appeal may come from convenience and aesthetics rather than revolutionary features. Many Linux veterans understand that most distributions ultimately share similar foundations. What differentiates them is package management, default configurations, desktop customizations, update strategies, and community culture. Dank Linux seems to focus on delivering a polished, enjoyable experience rather than completely reinventing Linux. So is Dank Linux worth the hype? The answer depends largely on your expectations. If you're expecting a revolutionary operating system that changes everything about Linux, you may be disappointed. Most of the underlying technologies are familiar components already present throughout the Linux ecosystem. However, if you're looking for a modern, attractive, user-friendly distribution that combines solid performance, good software availability, customization options, and an engaging community, then Dank Linux offers genuine value. The hype surrounding Dank Linux appears to be driven not by groundbreaking technical innovation, but by thoughtful presentation, accessibility, and community enthusiasm. It succeeds in making Linux feel approachable, modern, and fun. For many users, that's exactly what they want. It lowers barriers, creates positive first impressions, and encourages exploration of the Linux world. Ultimately, Dank Linux demonstrates an important truth about the modern Linux desktop. Success isn't always about inventing entirely new technologies. Sometimes success comes from packaging existing strengths into an experience that people genuinely enjoy using. Whether you're a Linux beginner searching for your first distribution, a Windows user considering a switch, or an experienced enthusiast looking for something fresh, Dank Linux is certainly worth trying. It may not be the perfect distribution for everyone, but it has earned enough attention to justify the growing conversation around it. In a world filled with countless Linux distributions competing for attention, Dank Linux manages to stand out, and that alone makes it an interesting project worth watching in the months and years ahead.